Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the best ways to make your rewards work for you. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to redeem your American Express points for statement credit. If you've got points stacking up from your everyday spending and you're looking to knock down some bills, this method is a game changer. It's straightforward, flexible, and can feel like free money in your pocket. First off, let's quickly cover what American Express points are. These are rewards you earn based on your card purchases. Think of them as digital cash waiting to be used. Redeeming for statement credit lets you apply those points directly to your credit card balance, reducing what you owe. It's one of the simplest redemption options, with no fancy travel bookings required. Alright, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Log into your American Express online account. If you don't have one, download the app or head to the website and set it up. It's quick and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Membership Rewards, section. This is usually front and center on your dashboard. Step 2. Look for the redemption options. You'll see a menu with choices like travel, merchandise, or statement credit. Select Statement Credit. It might be labeled as Pay with Points or something similar, depending on your card. Step 3. Choose the amount. American Express typically lets you redeem points in increments, like 1,000 points for $10 credit, but check for any minimum requirements. Enter the amount you want to use, review the details, and confirm your redemption. After that, sit back and relax. The credit should appear on your statement within a few business days, though processing times can vary. One quick tip: make sure your account is in good standing and that your card offers this redemption option. Some cards might have restrictions. Also, remember that redeeming for statement credit often gives you a one-to-one value, so it's one of the most efficient ways to use your points. There you have it, folks. Redeeming American Express points for statement credit is an easy way to save on your expenses. If you try this out, let us know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.